When you have a hole in your fabric or a rip you need to repair, you have stitches in the utility stitches, kind of the menu 4, that are mending stitches. So you want to put on foot 2A and no IDT. Look, it has the picture of the reverse button. So I'm going to start the stitching where my green plus is, and that's going to be kind of up, my hole's right here. I'm going to start it kind of in that upper left corner. Now, I have control as it's stitching this first row of stitching down of how far my rip is. Once I get to that point, touch the reverse button and let the machine do the rest of the work for you. It's going to do stitches back and forth, moving from left to right and filling up that whole area with stitches, almost kind of like reworking the fabric back into place. You match the thread to your fabric, and this is going to be near impossible. And if you don't want to hold your presser foot on the foot control the whole time, just hit your play button and it'll stitch for you. If you find that your rip is small, you don't have to go the whole distance, but if it is bigger than your foot is, then you can go ahead, start the sequence again as the repeat. See how it comes up green? We can do that exact same setting and length and keep on going. What I would do is just start kind of up, overlapping a stitch in where I've already started, and see how that has just kind of reworked all the frayed edges back into place, nice and solid. So mending stitches, and you do have one more version of this. This has a little bit more of a back and forth, kind of like an underlay stitching that's going to go and kind of tack down all the frayed edges first, and then do the stitches back and forth, just like what we did. So you have two options. Again, try them out just so you know how they work, and then that way when you do need them, you have already figured out the sequence.